Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 4 of celebrating the International Women's Day with Born Pretty. So today I'll be creating another set, and I'll be using my gel polish product from Born Pretty. I'll be leaving the link to their website in the description box. So if you are interested in purchasing any of the items I used, just click on the link in the description box to take you to their website, and you can use my coupon code Glitterspolish to get discounts on whatever item you will be ordering. So like I said, we are talking about women, so I'll be doing short sets for most of the series, because most women are very comfortable with short nails, because that way they'll be able to do a lot of things without being what would I call it now, without disturbance, without any hindrance. Yes, that's the English I want to use, without any hindrance. So that's why I'll be doing mostly short nails for this series. Thank you for watching my day 1, day 2, day 3, and this is my day 4. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I'll appreciate it if you can follow my series and watch it till the end, till day 12. I know it's not easy, but because of that I decided to make the videos very short, like from 6 minutes to 10 minutes, so that it will be easy to follow. So like I said, I'll be creating a beautiful set today as well. Kindly watch till the end, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts about this set, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So like I said before, Born Pretty ship worldwide. So if you're interested in purchasing anything from them, just go to their website and buy. Take advantage of this sales for the International Women's Day and stock up. Whether you're a nail technician, you're the kind of person that likes to do your nails yourself, just go there, you see all you need to work with. So I've painted the first layer. I've done the first layer. I cured it for 60 seconds. Now I'm doing the second layer, and I'm also going to cure this for 60 seconds. So the only one which I did is a layer of the or a coat of the gel polish, is a ring finger where we have the nude, and I didn't do double coats because I needed it to be I didn't need it to be opaque. I wanted to be a little bit transparent, so that's why I did just a coat on it. Thank you guys once again for watching. I'll talk to you again in my next video. Till then, bye and stay blessed.
Say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I did pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. But you know, say every day I did pray for you. In my heart, so there's a permanent place for you, and that's why my heart did beat like because now you I go choose. Oh, I your family, your family. I sing for you on the beat like because now you I go pick. Oh, I your family, your family. Listen, oh baby, oh. When this lockdown is over, I will run 1,000 miles, fly around the world just to get to you. Que Montillo. And you are bubble one baby moon, I give a life, yeah. But you know, say every day I dey pray for you. Every day I dey pray in my heart, oh. There's a permanent place for you. And that's why my heart it do me like do care. Because now you I go choose, oh. I am family, I sing for you on the beat line. Do care. Hey, because now you I go pick, oh. I am family, when I give baby, you and me for life. One baby, yeah. I am family, my sweet potato, my jollof rice, yeah. I love you, I love you, I love you, yeah. I am family,
Thanks for watching my video. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. It's red.
Wavy.
Oh, na na.
If you want to see
It's most sticks on the beat, yeah. Oh, na na. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I might need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking. 'Cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the darkest times. You don't need no other